YouTube family, welcome back to another cooking video with your girl Tash, and today I have cornmeal porridge as the recipe for the day. So first things first, you get your pot, you put your water in. Today I'm doing a fusion of coconut milk with the water because the coconut milk just adds a different flavor to it. Coconut milk, if you love coconut, it just has a creamy layer to it that it just elevates the taste of it. But if you don't, you can definitely omit it. So in with the cornmeal, the star of the show, you definitely don't use hot water like I did. I had to go back and get it together. However, it came out amazing, and I used roughly about 1.5 cups of the cornmeal. Use it with room temperature water and mix to a consistency where it's giving you like you're making oatmeal. And as you pour it into the pot, pour it slowly because it can burn you. It splashes when it does, it pops as well. Point noted. And when you are pouring it into the pot, make sure you take your time and mix it as you pour. That helps to prevent it from sticking, as well as adding lumps to the cornmeal. This is what it should looks like when you start stirring it. Stir until it starts bubbling, where the cornmeal is actually cooking. And I say occasionally every 5 minutes you stir it, so you prevent it from sticking to the pot as well as lumping. I would also recommend that you don't use a pot that fits the liquid content to the best of your ability, because you don't want it to be pouring over on your stove or popping on you when you're trying to mix it. So here I'm going into the sweetening method. For Tash, I love soy milk, so I'm using that brand La Soy. I love it, and I mix it with my warm water to add it to the pot. Vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and my salt. And I'm using this brown sugar is from Domino. I love this one, and any sugar works, it doesn't matter. And it just has a flavor to it that I like. And I used roughly about 4 or 5 teaspoons, and I mix it all together. And those were all my sweeteners. And as you can see, even with the condensed milk, I did not use a lot. I used roughly, probably in tablespoons, I would say probably 5 or 6 tablespoons. And this is the final product. All the recipe ingredients will be listed in the description box, as well as a breakdown of the cooking process, the time, and all of that. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.